Hi everyone. So welcome to the another session on cutoff series. Today I am live with the cutoff of Maharashtra CET for the exam year 2024. Before we move on to the cutoff, let's see what was the paper pattern, and the similar paper pattern is going to be this year as well. So if we talk about the paper pattern, it had four sections: English language, reasoning, which has verbal as well as arithmetic, followed by general knowledge and awareness, and computer basic. There were four sections, no sectional time limit. It has 90 minutes and total of 100 questions. So if you look at it, 40 questions were for general English, 30 questions were for reasoning, that is verbal and arithmetic, 15 each for general knowledge and computer basics. Again, no negative marking, no sectional time limit, one question, 1 marks for every correct question. So 100 marks to be attempted in 90 minutes. The paper was very easy, very straightforward. A lot of students were able to complete the entire paper 5-10 minutes before the actual time. But the interesting thing is the cutoff. Paper can be very difficult or paper can be easy. The most important thing is to get into the top colleges through Maharashtra CET. And hence, fighting for that one extra mark becomes very crucial. If you look at the cutoff, if you look at the cutoff of the top 5 program, that is Jai Hind BBA course, NM BMS course, followed by Mithibai BMS, Jai Hind BMS, and UPG BMS, the cutoff was 99 percentile. If you look at this is 99.69, 99.54, 99.40. If you look at the cutoff were very, very, very closed, and the competition was very, very high. The paper was easy. It means that a lot of students were able to attempt all the question. A student who were able to attempt the question with accuracy were able to get into the top colleges in Mumbai. And that's what you need to focus on. You need to emphasize on one thing, that you need to attempt everything and need to ensure that you are able to get everything correct with probably 90-95% accuracy is what you should be expecting. The game changer is going to be general knowledge and computer basic, because English and reasoning was very easy, straightforward. GK is something, if you are well prepared, if you know what to study and you know what to remember, it becomes easy for you to get into the top colleges. Same goes for computer basics as well. If you know the full form of RAM, for example, RAM was one of the question asked, the full form of RAM. Okay, and if you know some basic stuff about computer basics, I think you should be able to sail through the exams. English and reasoning, as I mentioned, is not going to be a difficult task to crack. Okay, moving forward, if you look at UPG college, if you look at UPG college here, the cutoff was again 99. Okay, so this is the cutoff for general open category, and this is the cutoff for ladies open category. Similarly, we look at the Podar college for BBA BMS, it was 98 and 96 percentile respectively. Interesting thing, for the female, for the ladies open, the cutoff in Podar college for BBA as well as BMS was on the higher side. If you look at Hinduja college, the cutoff was around 96.34. Kelkar college for both the program was around 94. Hinduja college BBA program, the cutoff was 93 for general. NK college, that is Nagindas Khanwala college BMS program, the cutoff was 87.14. Thakur College was around 79.88 for a BBA program. Ruparel College was 79.88. Bedekar College for BBA as well as BMS was 76.84 and 72.25. And for NK College BBA program, it was 64.37. So this is the exhaustive list of the top colleges in Mumbai University for BBA and BMS program which accepted Maharashtra CET 2024. I am sure you guys are aware that Maharashtra CET, this time the notification is out and is going to be conducted on 1st, 2nd and 3rd of April. If you are not aware of it, please start preparing for the examination. Don't waste your time for the board exam to get over, because after the board exam gets over, you will hardly have a month to prepare for Maharashtra CET. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much. And if you have anything, if you want any other video to be made, please do let us know in the comment section. I'll make sure that I'll come up with the same video. Till then, thank you everyone. Bye bye.